guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Copy, everybody know. Now, wait till you use the math. If I say, if for waiting, you give it for yeah, we quick, or waiting, you give quick. Why will you be washing fake when you have the original? I am the original of what she want to be. Una go see for that time where I thought, say, I don't go talk to any of the girls. So I say, I don't beat una finish. I don't go talk to them again. My people, now my mouth for year, he can't still talk and he can't use and cost himself. I go play and now. Today now, una know the one where he can't still talk today. He say, Meti buena, only you can work, he should wear me, but lao go don't know any. Don't know time. You see, that is why you know they progress for life. Where be say, any no mama salo bayazen, we region or salo bayazen. Yeah?
Hello, lovely, amazing, wonderful people of love. Una good evening. Una happy weekend. How una day? Good evening. Hey, babe, good evening. Babe is the first to comment. Good evening, babe. Patrick, good evening, everyone. How you all doing? I bet you can quick join me. As you join me, please give me like and love. Help me to share this video. When I can't hear the woto. In the afternoon, I all day side bed when I listen to this woto. I say, if I not can analyze, now waiting again because in woto, my people not be here. I know some go enjoy her because me I too enjoy her. I know some go enjoy her where. If you now read my headline, I said, let's come and analyze Monica woto on Krokro and Dorekia and many more. Not be smart, though. My lovely, amazing people, I bet make una help me thumbs up, make una share, make una comment how una they see the talk, okay? I not say saga with truth, saga will be say they accurate, now with the like, not be with like the way Krokro they like full everywhere, all the name of saga, no, okay? So mo will just enjoy this. What mo will see how it take day, We'll see how it take day, lovely, amazing people. I bet make una help me thumbs up and share. Oh yeah, I not go waste time. We'll just they play and we'll they analyze and they go. And on this one, the one when I just play from the beginning, Monica they say, Rita Krokro they copy. If they like to talk the way he talk, they like to do what he do, they like to copy. And how true is that? Is that true? Me I go they ask you now whether not true or not be true. That one not true. If not be true, wanna put her for comment section. If not true, make una talk say not true. Okay? Now get the answer, not be me. Not true, because Monica just to say, Ritero, they copy. How true is that? He say, when he talk say, he know the answer window. I don't know as he talk that part. Make I rewind them again. Make we hear her from the beginning. Okay? Lovely people, make una listen when I talk whether not true or not be true. I bet not forget to thumbs up and share, okay?
Make una come see one of the challenges on my Edo cyberspace. Now it be this one. Akpobi or you go see somebody where God created mama naturally ugly. Naturally. Even as his mama go also ugly rich, his papa go come still be ugly boy. All the use zehu no. And you go see person, he go they cry for waiting really truly they do.
Hello Bruno, Mexico, I greet you. Hello, hi, good evening, happy weekend. Is Ritero Kokobiri father an ugly boy? Make a queen answer this one. I bet what you not think. Now she talk I say na ugly boy. And we see her. Truth. Not say they not talking. That guy ugly, sha. Yes, now he talk, I say papa na ugly boy, say he's used hair to open the gate of hair for him mama. On the area na juin be in area. You can't curse it, papa. That one a curse for Bini. He say area na you won't be a that one a big curse, sha. Hey, God have mercy. Person go just open mouth. E can't gwa. Eh? He say papa na ugly boy. That one me go confirm a show. Antonia, I greet you. Hello, good evening, mommy. You are welcome to the house. You are welcome, mommy. You are very, very welcome. God bless you, ma. I don't dey wait for you since. Ew. That's so sweet. Thank you, ma. I don't know that you be lady, but Antonia, you are a lady. Antonia, yes. Thank you. You are welcome. For that one, make a fair answer. The first answer. Say whether na crop papa na ugly boy or over. In fact, if you say ugly na overstate na understatement, sha. He pass ugly. Oh yeah, the rest na go answer. The answer they ask. Na go the answer ramo. I just want to answer this one. Whether not true, because one look the water whether truth there or not. Okay, one analyzer. So the rest up to you guys. I bet more no verse. More player.
60 years say mommy Monica say tiens mama where I dey pain ije na ohia tiens person where they abroad they never born classic Gloria when she don't use toto take go grease go use the toto grease everywhere for grease so take wetin he get for grease he grabs pain take bon pikin wey no get papa.
Ije una hear that one. Not true. My people of love. Not true. Say crocro. Use people say go grease the land of Greece. Come kidnap spam. Take bon pikin wey no get papa. Not true. Yes or no? Yes or no? Oh yeah, somebody write on the comment section.
We get papa, you no go ever fit grab Spain, take bona.
Hey,
Pikin wey come thief, carry go Germany, go take Aduro, end up again with a man wey nobody wants.
hey.
The big bottle, kind man where everybody know for his city. He use and take the husband, so agbada for her. Only one man go Nigeria, go marry woman.
That
Is
one
that
not true.
sign of say the woman is extremely.
That one not true. Say na only Kokobiri go marry crocro. He say no, na true. Oh. Monica finish her for this saga. Oh. Okay, not true. Oh. And also, is it true? Say na only Kokobiri go carry single-handedly go marry Rita for Nigeria. Family member follow, I be they not follow. I beg, I they ask. Not true. I be not lie. Okay, somebody answer.
For this video, go on one watch, so now go the hear from her mouth. Waiting classic Gloria thought no, bupa no so bad. Now waiting he use the mouth talk. Copy, everybody know. Now waiting he use the mouth talk. If I say if for waiting you give it for yeah, we or waiting you give it why will you be washing fake when you have the original? I am the original of what she want to be.
Oh, is it true?
Una go see for here. That time where I thought say I know.
Not true. Make una answer. Is it true that Rita is a copycat that she want to be what another according to the talk now? Monica say you want to be like her. How true is that? Because everybody is unique in their own way. Everybody does their things in their own way. Everybody operates in their own way. Everybody, do stuff in their own way. How come? Now true say Crocro want be like Monica. He want do like Monica. He want copy Monica in everything. Now true. Now not got the answer. Oh, me I don't know. Now not got the answer. If not true, if you can make sense and say yes, Crocro is trying to imitate Monica in that area. You will measure the area, the way she talk, or the way she, just make it Just answer so we will know, we will understand your response. Wetin your yes, where your yes they go, so we know people we not going to misunderstand them. Okay? He says she too copy. I bet you're right, so you say crow too copy. Maybe for the understand the board, because there are two people we they talk about here now. Okay? Monica is blasting crow. So it's two of them that this talk involves. So we will understand it better. I bet make una the answer where I go they read them and not worry, I go they read comments. Okay? I they see comments. So let's continue. Now true, when see Monica talk so, say they copy her for the way she they talk, they copy her for her lifestyle, they copy her for everything. Maybe they listen though.
Of the girl, so I say I don't beat you now finish.
Usual.
Okay, I don't go talk to them again. My people,
Hey.
now my mouth is for year, he can't still talk, he can't use and cost himself. I go play on now. Today now, una not the one where he can't still talk today. He say, Menti buena, on your account where he should be me, I be labo go domano any. Domano time.
Even the words of Monica say they copy her. When she go talk, say she don't want beat a certain person and their mama she they go for. I think I've heard that word from Monica. They say Rita doesn't copy that one. Not true. Hey, quarry got that. Yeah, there's a person when you get in your style, your lifestyle, your way of doing things. I don't understand. Not true. Okay, more than the answer, my people.
That is why you know they progress for life. Where be say, emi no mama osalo bayazen, we ije no salo bayazen. Ije no rakbo. Une mari mi ideology. Una when they pass, so this woman not be great video. Is just their life. If you see a be like person where already died, they can't open one of your eye for grant.
Jesus. Jesus. Jesus Christ. Jesus.
See, not be pepper soon that they shop. Now wait till I fair ask two of you now. Oh, wana wa rule Moria Nigeria, wana yawe marriage, no musician, no cow.
I beg my people. The marriage we crow to musician day, cow day, yes or no? Make if you know the answer Rambo. I be one leave the answer for una. May God bless say but power veya. Musician where marriage where crow do. Garlic smeller. Musician not day. Me not see musician there for that day. I not see cow. Why Monica? It's like Monica is lying. My people, is it true? Monica lying? Because it be like say, wait, so musician not day. That day for marriage where crow carry kokobiri go do. No musician, no canopy, no cow. We be not see cow for that day. No, not say the like say don't taste more. I don't wanna remind me. No canopy, no cow, no MC, no canopy, no cow for the marriage for 2020 waiting in this century. Okay now. You know there be like say Monica lie for that part. It be like say this girl lie oh. If there be no day, they say no. Okay, no musician, no cow, they no kick cow, no MC where conduct the marriage. The MC also no day. No cow, no egg of jollof. They say no. Hey, you know, not talk like not see. I not see because I get retentive memory where I not see true. I not see. I not see musician. I not see cow. I not see MC. I not see canopy. I not see nothing. The only thing I see is some people dress for back of where they throw dirty. Vigilante. Na food there. Na vigilante I see most.
My papa tell do make one and wait. Wait.
Thumbs up the video, lovely people.
One by one.
I bet thumbs up the video, Jare.
My people, wait. Nuga igwa. Babella we useless girl. No say a TikTok ba we. You know say now you be the most.
EJ.
As I hear just now say you carry classic mama and papa picture. You they say any me now we make me come help you tell the world. Make the
Why
world
she go even body shame anybody, mama? After we don't see how low our own be. Why she go even body shame or even tease or even bully anybody, mama? I don't see anybody, mama, for this life where go down very low above where her mama be. Why would she do that? That is wrong. I don't see anybody for this life, even though say the person even get picky for abroad, where they will carry comment, where go dirty past Dora. I'm not sure say they this life. I'm not sure. Or where go they very unkept like cro papa. I'm not sure say they. So for that bullying of parents, make she read that one off. She can't do that because she will just be making fool of herself. There's no point. There's no point doing that.
2024 ni epia na ya wa the view ya tai ve ya tai ba hoe yo weekend if say enwa so ya so ke no ho we no so la before also your die police petition amami awa amami yeke good morning my love we say jege we wa dey life you may want receive na okay one contribute okay
this woman make a joke, classic Gloria. I'm not swinging anybody. I'm not swinging.
I wanna be me a pen wana.
I'm not swinging anybody.
I wanna be.
In jokes.
Everybody know I say na Monica they copy.
This woman has no legal right to call this woman out and start insulting her and the mother. I'm not swinging anybody.
No, he said na me pay classic Gloria because I saw him they pay injury and they useless girl.
Never mention her name.
Very smelly girl.
I'm not saying anywhere. I do show over her.
Nyoha.
Now that will be the guilty conscience where they worry her. Now that will be the guilty conscience where they worry her. Because she know what she is. That's the guilty conscience in it. She just proved to the whole world that is who she is. Because if you are not, you will ignore. You will just do like, oh, that's not me. No. Because if you describe what you are not be, why go marry you? Now, why go even send you? Eh? Now that be the guilty conscience way.
Kokobiri na you the talk. Smelly Kokobiri wife. Oh yeah, Dorekia. Woha. Devina amiewo yo na mi na amiewo. Devina amiewo. Go bela. Iju ashago. Iju when our doctrine abo wa. Ama soni je classic Gloria area me. Eba ni mana wa. Iju we Felicia we ta soni iju we ashawo ye soni wo wo.
It could have must win here. I will be presenter.
Enye no. Devina ala nie.
It's really.
Bala nie.
Okay. We do go jokes. I'm not saying here.
Where's AJ?
So her name. You should go back presenter. We will have more than 200 presenter.
Now there low self-esteem come in. Low self-esteem. Yes. She knows she's the one. That's why she reacted. Anytime, okay, Endurance said, anytime Monica beats Rita Crocro, she not defeat rest, because she not defeat rest. She go be like, say, they put fire for her head. She don't do video reach 3 times. All her body just all her body be like waiting, they put fire. Return the failure. Now so our pain is
okay. Where's say my love?
Our pain is real, is forever. Our pain is forever. There's no 2 ways about it. Please, guys, thumbs up this video. Don't just watch. Please, thumbs up and share it for me. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Please, 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 thumbs up.
Okay, thank you. Who put this one? Make I fair put this one. My people, where they wash, so, okay? If you know say you they wash me, you know me. The thing are green. Okay, we go manage am. I know sabi do anything. Yeah, in short, I know they fight saga. But when somebody do injustice, Ama bie suni. Wa gugo esu. We are hegi ma ode yan. Wa gugo isi gegbo. Me isi gegbo bu nu igbo ajegbo. Ime gbo ajegbo. Me isi gegbo bu nu We are Google area scatter. They can we scatter. Who we now? We you don't even get name. Which you feel represent anything for this social media now. But they not gonna pepper you like that. You not gonna shop your shit. I'm not play out your phone. I'm not gonna see. Wait till they make body they pepper her. Classic Gloria do video. He say who am I? You say na you and so. As he come be say na you na ba lani. Ogun gbeda gbeja mi na enwe jini. Eru we bi juwe bo yan ro ma tato bobe ma. Ijue na do trust ti to do marie be bore. Ewo ya na mu oge ba e ma mani bui ma mu e bo wa we be fake no bo se ni juwe ma na we be fake. Ne bo we gbe gbo mo ege. Ijue yo ge ya gbo mo bo e do. This Niger classic Gloria ni ya mu ta.
No one na true. My sister talking. My sister Felicia talking. That kind of, if that thing was a lie, nobody go take her. Such and heavy, the way the Felicia talk say, Rita Mama do abomination many times when she take the truth left for our side, take the fucky Calabar men and Yoruba men and all. When be say the mama not there alive again, mama sit there alive. Your mama will not see one voice where mama take dinero or take even swear with her mouth. Say if she ever do such thing, there was no debunking because it was true. Because that's why they could not. Felicia go Nigeria go do a papa burial. If that thing was a lie, they go drag her now like I better pass my neighbor generator. But they couldn't react because the woman said, "Oh, nothing but the truth about that. Everything was true." If it was just an allegation, they will take action. Yes, they see words of Bible, they not go carry juju. You can lay curse. You can use Bible to swear. You can use anything you know to swear. But there was nothing like that. Then Krokro will see get Martin, they talk to people, they drag people parents. Like seriously? Where your own yama just full streets. No, come on. Don't make sense.
Mama Felicia is in Israel. Why not get one party? Ijwe yoge ya gbomo ba se wetin dey call that pikin wey mama use so get take pai ashawo no see na mi we umaiti homo biedo they to biedo we home wa me yoge gbe wa menia wa be pradmo okbianu amu ne pradmo na ka test e wuro wodo ogwe kokobiri see osmas kokobiri as is no osmas we una don't ever see for this life we only one man they go marry person for your country please.
It's not done. Bini, I never see same man they go Percy papas go marry him. See go handedly. It's not done. Now social media will foresee him or say what desperation cannot do does not exist. Wait to not expect after the dog bully her, after she got born for many nations, no dowry was ever paid. She can't deal with Kokobiri for 9 years. They do a show free with Kokobiri. When normal person will not carry. Wait till I expect when I don't bully her. She have to gather, say her mama for social media, take gather money, to go do the needful. What now see make the poor girl do? I don't understand. She don't wanna say she don't born for many nation. She will be the condemn the marriage, say marriage now just ingredient, say no, it don't matter. Now she needs to go do now. But she go do that, she can't do the worst. Nobody they carry mass, go and they go marry. The family must represent now. Come on. The family must give their consent. I've never seen where man will just go and they go and marry a woman. It's na desperado for the see alias Krokro. What we have not seen on this social media, remain one. We have seen 99.
Okay,
share
I don't know who post the thing. See, they say, make una remember, say, saga between Krokro.
Please, lovely people, thumbs up this video. Help me to share if you can. Let your engagements flow. Okay, give your opinion. All right.
Smelly Kokobiri. And then the Krokro or see fibroid you me ya no move. Emi ya na me be presented day.
Not because.
When Fuen we. U omona jou adultery abie. Eruge. Uwe mo adultery nyama ve. Betty you walk a lady re adultery. Because I made it before and after of your father. Or your adultery when the area na do je na ge. Ofin. A monkey. People when you they call adultery. Mama classic Gloria when you they call adultery. Get the gay or J with your boy and then we are born you way. Born you way. I get us there, but your brother not there, your sister not there. Who you the fool? Is your like uncle? I mean, I know your body when you wear fruit, you know. Now you be. Those days you say you get us and your mama still there for cutting tomorrow. Your papa still there for Oka. Your brother still there house where everywhere they leak water. He there camera. How you can't get classic Gloria mama there for 4 flats. Evidence day. Ha 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 ha. Oga easy. Tell your mama, not be you be first speaking for your mama hand. Oh yeah now. Mama classic Gloria.
This girl not just value her parents, she not really do nothing for her parents. Come on the food for mouth. Good living, maintenance, you know if you give her parents. It is social media, they fight everybody. What a shame. What a shame. There's social media, they fight back. Food not complete for her parents, math. Come on, Nigeria or Hollandis, where adult women they tie. Your mama not gets. Now why you hate them? I continue to. Why did you dislike your parents? Why? Why did you hate them so much? Guess when they use their mama till they play. Hollandis upon Hollandis. When my parents did now from here, they use it and they buy electronic, the ship go they give mama. They use Nigeria for our house. Hollandis. No type where she not get big market woman, she get on her own picking, go see buy join. Make it plenty over plenty. Food not complete for mouths. Cleanliness for where, maintenance for where, health for where, health care, no, not they. Papa, yo, they bend, they deform. From human being is not turning into an animal. God forbid.
He senior you. Meaning, classic Gloria mama go senior your mama. Make you go bring your mama, come out for TikTok. Make classic Gloria bring your mama or come out. Na get go, na do bomb and shoes, na tota you no ta. Useless girl, when I buy no bogodo. Okay, he say, make una remember, say, saga between Krokro and Gloria is because they support a Akobe during the time of Esther and Akobe saga. Krokro came out for easy, and classic Gloria, now Krokro be the troublemaker, not today before. Not today, see human being mama, where they talk to person. This one, after she don't do 25 years in abroad, look at her mother. Look at her mother. She they do video just now. She say, I don't care why I'm way over botena here. Ija bona hinu we ateta we. Ati ebani jeme ya we jack bona hina.
Oh.
Awa ba ya jack bonia.
Ijo.
We mano me jack bonfua. Iye rijian le jack bona hin. Ija be every year.
Oh, we should
not be yet be no he.
Oh, we should not be every year. He said, Mama, we did blast blows every year. What be loud? Reiterate your mama, oja no e bugbe. Orioja no din, orioja na e. Orie ye, ko rivon, vie, ko ja, ko son, rivon. Hide down now. You don't value them, but pity them. I beg. Every year beating, then they collect woto because of your bad mouth, because of your troublesome self. Why? No, God forbid.
Conspiracy. Ni ave donate ne. Ega ni na bijou ya tomatiti. Ou ya tomatiti titon fone. Boumere police. Ayakila. Ana mieguna ya muivo na munema. Ni ayak boma we ya na riyo wego.
Can you? Yes, now.
Mama Felicia, you there here? I dey greet you, Mama Felicia. Mama Classic Gloria, na my area woman. They born me, she did there. Yeah? I grew up for her presence. I go fit deny for her. No adulterous one day for her name. She no come up for her husband.
The tell us you deny for her mama and say no be your miniki. Hey, yeah, what a life. The tell us you deny for your mama now. Na best way just know your sister, blood sister, na can't. Oh Jesus, we are going to take water.
She take
I dey
all
come.
her children. Mama Felicia, you come from Oka. Please, can you deny for Kokobiri wife, the one where only one man go married? You also deny for him mama, say him mama not be adulterous. Don't get near Kokobiri desperado woman. Now Classic Gloria come make her know, say yes, you are a copy. You wanna be like Monica, you wanna be like me. You don't accept who you be. That is who you be.
Now the only Monica they copy you. One time with my children, they go they cook, I go the video there. I go the video there say, mothers, teach your children, oh. See, oh. Now she carry Morokino Piki come out. Morokino Piki, she like to copy everybody. He say, go be Morokino Piki. I saw her just wash pot now, bin a spoon down and wash. Hey, now say now, wow. This one person he say never ever carry any of the children come out. The moment you see say mommy love this, the video her children while they are helping out in house choice, she begin to copy everything. She has to copy everybody. She don't have her own life. She don't have her own style. She don't have her own ways. She wants to copycat everyone for crying out loud. But she cannot build mansion under 4 years. That's another disadvantage. She not fit copy that one. She not fit single-handedly build mansion under 4 years. For Lagos, no, she can't. They born monkey. They born away. Where she go fit imitate that one for where? The so-called how many waiting flashes they do since 13 years of my own. Now those easier ones she sabi copy, but she cannot copy the expensive ones. No, she cannot. She not fit copy to born for one man now. That one go hard. You know fit. I don't feel
like I want to tell you, see, Mama Felicia say lie. He said she cannot deny for your mama because he sure you walk wedgie. Baset you no gui. No yari adulterous. What did they call that pikin that time? You Matia Balamoy.
Rita, you no go hide your mama, your papa. Hide them now. Eko javun yane. O jabungbe. Ishe. Eri mi omoda. You can't mind your business on social media so that your papa and your mama go rest because they are shame and disgrace. If you social media, can't you just mind your business and repent from your troublesome character and so that your parents can know peace? For how long? For how long? Your papa and your mama going to receive better beating on a daily basis from all presenter. Hey! You wicked, sure, you don't love this your papa and your mama, you not be better picking, Picking will really love you, mama. He no go agree. He no go find trouble where go make the call they curse papa and mama on a daily basis. You don't love these people. What did they do you? They offend you. I remember that time when you tell your story, say your mama then persuades you for the second time you can't do all show work. When they deport you, your mama not even welcome you. You say they ask you, say why you be like Chris person. Whether that Morocco you for the come, you not be like who brush abroad. Now what do you hold against your mother? Why do you so hate them? Why do you hate them so badly? What have they done to you that you can never ever forgive or forget? That you are punishing them like this. Through you, your parents receive beating and insult on a daily basis. They're naked and rubbish and useless them on a daily basis just because of your kind of person, troublesome person that you are. Yeah, that's why you hate this your parents. Lovely people, please thumbs up this video and share. When we listen,
what did I call that pikin? Uno, oya somebody.
Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up.
If you want be my mama, mona go be this one na mama usunobun.
Can you imagine?
Your mama says when your mama.
He said they want beat your mama, make them beat your mama. Why do you hate them? See the mama, see her. Nobody go do video. See the dirty away mama tie. See the dirty away. Why do you hate them so much? Now wow. How they offend you? When you don't feel let go and forgive them and take away this shame and constant beating away from them. Because if you stop making trouble, people will not go for them. But when you continue to make trouble, choke people, use like a heart to look for people trouble, they will continue to receive better beating on social media. Presenter are not smiling. They don't get your time. They will rubbish you. Because you find trouble too much.
Okay. Under the cashew tree.
They
the one where God they always give rejected things. See, mama will give you. Is you never reject?
Ew.
Is you one
Ew.
Is you not reject? Is you not ideology? When you take try, no take ideology, no me ya we saga. Ama is you not ideology? When mother who wanna get to seke imire no ya piundan.
Even the papa now, so the papa see akpanigogo for a mama head. See akpanigogo. See akpanigogo. For akateria mama head. See akpanigogo. Hey, salobwa. Hey, igbe ne dollar eri ebungbe ni ah. Return Toya. Why do you hate them so much? Oh my God. Oya wabe do ato me waka. Yo, salobwa.
Okay, ya mwa wairi ya na de left and direct.
Yo.
I went on and go beat my mama. See, I wish mama beat that thing can vex me.
Oh my God.
The thing can vex me. On a go beat my mama. Ije na ija gbona hin. Oh, see now. Ijokie now. Ijokie. I bet this one join Ijokie. Mona look at.
You not join. Ije no get what do. Oh, no you get bomo. Ma join. Better amarene. Arene. Why you na? I bet people make could have thumbs up this video, Jare. More na comment, make could share.
When they wash, Mona George. When we they call Ijokie la wana de bejen. Mutia wa me de go we mutia ni mawai.
Ijokie na mama we be say obodo we kia no we muigo e obewe no gwale kia vidun. Ije no gwale yo boy amuigo no enegbe no enoma ijo de no ege no wa ya gbomo ije na ye desperation ya gyo me webo no ya gbasha wa de deport omo na de gie gbo geva ya gbowere ije tano me ije basura na ijo gie na ije ni zweki ebo we ebo de ye gyomo ewebo je no gyomo sponsora no ya gbasho ya pay mada wa ije o je no ge ni vie kalaba mo bezie ke under the cashew tree ahwa o je no gweki je no gwin na no bono no boy mu go yes na only ijogi na bega but retero pity for your mama now. Your papa when over there, who know whether na too much of this or now they make the man they bend every day. The way he sit bend 2 years ago, he don't bend past like that. Because we get people where they pass that street where then they give us reports. Pity na the insult is too much. He say return on you beating. You're beating na everlasting. Okay. She should they find trouble and they will continue to drag this Miniki because her parents story her parents not get good her family not get good name, they not get good story. They not get
when mudia agati ijogie na here
awa
ona deba ijogie
omadeba ito etitoge
Jesus
Oh,
my people, I got na simwe ijogie na here la wo this one join ijogie
why am I join
na ask they ask Edora Oka,
I pass one of Miniki for car. One of our car or mother they enjoy it okay. No job. Be my people enjoy. On a day by your gear. I no ma gweki. No ma no boy we want no the boy mwekia we do. Ije no boy mwekia. Mama when they also bola for streets under the cashew tree. No, you not join great mother where they talk about. Oh, far from it. I pass one eye. Yeah, if you care you are home, man. Dora, if you care you are well, he said, whenever I pass one eye, Dora, take Alabama if you care you are but this soon line whenever I pass one
Dora, this one joining Yoki. Dora Okbo Miliki. No Yokbo Miliki Busumo Puma. See today I'm not even for you. Felicia J Nigeria.
Sunobu rest in peace. You should know why you get boa. My yoga agiwe. I mean I wa. What a mother. Not be this girl be first speaking before. She got a clay first speaking. No, she not ever tell us the story. Say, no, be she be the first speaking before. Your mama be born another girl where your mama use her daughter to take bye. You know, open up. Call the fake her. But your sister, see her. I can't tell us the cocoa. Egbena we maya itota. Ko. Okono wa yo get bomo. Ene ona your moya saye kia no ya under the cashew tree. Egbena wa wema. Mama, I never heard that kind of thing before. Mama will use adultery by your own picking. God forbid.
Wait. This one joining Jokie at the school now. This one joining Jokie. I don't see a mama at the come. They said no, capital no. On a me on a joining Jokie. Benahi. I work Kokobiri na Yamare yon in Nigeria. No musician, no cow, no invitees, no food, no parlor party. Egbele's wife of a Kokobiri. Because Kokobiri really gets it.
Egbele's wife of Kokobiri. Only Wahala. Egbele's. Chai. Oh yeah, continue.
Africa to Africa. Una no fit buy ticket for only one family member to follow una. You are so useless.
She not even buy ticket for her children to follow. How you they do marry? You don't already born before you marry, and your children not go witness your day of joy. She not even buy ticket for men no. Children that are men no. Not be say she get adult speaking now. Men no. When we say their ticket is even a day more cheaper than adult on small difference the day. Yes, she not even afford tickets. God forbid. What a poverty lifestyle.
But useless like you don't have value for yourself. See what you they call lost Ramona wait here they don't baby my waba. Me ware studio missing. Rubbish and nonsense. My people where they wash. Mama Felicia. And I three room no wabo car. On one way go wanna see presenter bedroom luxury. Luxury bedroom.
Hey, I'm sorry, I know. You get one of her sister where they call that one, where they colometer for her papa compound there, yes. You got another sister, so with 3 girls, 3 boys, all useless. All her papa children useless. All the 6 children, no amount to anything. No great one among them. What a pity.
This girl is too cheap.
Yo.
TikTok, Nigeria, the rest social media, Edo people, presenter. Is this luxury bedroom? Make una go see where Kokobiri for the.
Why this girl too local like this? He carry before you offer ante TV of 400 rabbi na 250 euro. He just snap one part. He said a luxury bedroom, and they call for that bedroom. It's just that not to get time this period, you know, enjoying holiday with my family. He said luxury room. They forbid if you video the room around. What are you hiding? Because you know say na nyama nyama. Now this idiot I challenge, she dey tease my kitchen. I can't video my full kitchen round. I can't post her. I can't challenge her, say make she video her kitchen. Till tomorrow. Now one corner. Now she dey show for kitchen. If she dey do video for them. She was not bored to video the full kitchen. Make she post. Now one side where she just put, imagine the microwave she dey use. All the days microwave. Microwave of 50 euro. I've been at 12 euro. Hey God, poverty's taking life. She not bold. I challenge her. I say, show your kitchen. You are teasing on my kitchen, right? Me, I'm so proud of my kitchen. It's so comfortable. It's so good for me. Yes, I video her full. I post her for my page. It's still there. I challenge this Ozuokrokro. Say, video your kitchen. Not be that one corner where they show. Video your kitchen. I challenge you. She not feel Chester. Now, rubber bench she carry for streets. Spread on top. Carry chairs. Office chair where Oibo throw away for street do dining. I also video my dining. I say, oh yeah, this is my dining. And this is what it costs. Video your own. When she go the video egg and strong bread, where the best food where she feel offer, where she they give her children chop. Now my eyes see that dining, I say, different color of chair, office chair. Where would they use office chair for till they do dining? This girl come low carish. That office chair where they get tired for down. Now she different color, different that she arrange they do dining. Carry one rubber bench, spread white bedspread, say na dining, and she was mocking, teasing on my kitchen. I video my parlor, video my dining. I said, show your own. She could not dare. She could not dare. My dining, both the share, the leather share, everything is more than 2,000 plus. Only dining alone. She not dare, make she challenge. That my dining, you see her for anybody else, no say that person, I know how much she cost me. I video my kitchen. She not fit dare risk her, make she video her kitchen full. She not fit there. But now she dey bully people. Now she dey tease on people and now she not get. See the room where she call how she call the room. Luxurious room, how she call her. One corner. What happen if you just carry video, stand for domot, video the thing full? Like me now my bedroom I dey so I can video it full. Yes? Which I have done in the past. No, she cannot be bold. She cannot video even her capacity room. She cannot board to video it full. She cannot video her kitchen. She cannot video her even bedroom full. No. But now she go dey bully people way better pass her 1 billion times. Best way they pick things for streets. Pick things for streets they arrange house. See her bedroom that day. Cabinet bed for inside room. Who does that at this time, 2024? Cabinet bedroom. Cabinet kitchen for inside bedroom. I don't understand. Who does that? For this modern age. Now what?
Sister when they reject. Osalobo iwe, ona reject na reject ne, ona yera na reject ne, ona doriok me na reject we ona ne. Ona mo fibroid ona mo yo echo. Ona vivie kolokolo na yo echo. Attitude they shout for that side say the one where you born for Nigeria, you forget that one. Then you not be born throw away.
When I first talk this thing, because my papa, when I first talk this thing, that people think is a lie. I did a video call with Grace. When papa de la mess say pikin when he born for Nigeria, he don't know where that pikin dey. Now station papa for the complaint the thing I hear am when I did on video call. I talk and say this girl get one pikin and a girl for Nigeria. Not be attitude they talk so. I said these things some years back, 2 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. Our papa mat now hear am. At the station when papa de lament. How she's hiding it because of Kokobiri. She have a daughter. I surprised where attitude they talk and say, hey, he get pikin for Nigeria. Say somebody call her. And it's true. Now papa mat I hear am. When I do on video where papa they beg for station. When I do on video call. How you go they add pikin because of man? What the desperate woman of you do is does not exist. Me I pikin because of one man. That man they never born, I never bath. If I have 10 children, I will be proud and say I have 10. If you want me, want me. If you don't want me, to hell with you. My children, my pride, my everything. This girl, they denied, even God, the way she born for Italy, where government collect for Italy before they deport her. She they deny her until tomorrow. They claim Tiri, whereas not be Tiri children she gets. Now once she born for Kokobiri, she they claim Igbo Pikin. That one they call days and Igbo ma born that one for. They call can't and join Dora where she born for Kokobiri. Everything about her is so upside down and fake. Please, lovely people, wanna help me thumbs up this video. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Don't just watch. I beg of you. Thumbs up, please, please, please. Wanna help me engage.
They collect Igbo man. You look for them born throwaway woman. You not be born throwaway. They before nation. You born for Sigiri. You born for Igbo man for Italy. You born for Ishama for Bini. You born for Kokobiri. Is that not how you are a foreign nation? When they follow you dry, you just leave them, you cancel them. See your luxury room. If you are going to make una see luxury bedroom. Oh.
One corner.
My love, eh? My love, wake up me just now. See your gift, it don't come. It just they come. Nah, as I dey enter life. Thank you so much. Is beautiful. Oh my God. Designer tie. Can you imagine from Yeye Kudi? Can you believe that? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my love. My people, make una see luxury bedroom in Jenny. Make una see luxury bedroom. It be like primary school for
The even so-called luxury bedroom. Now window. Cut it bang, go on side. Wall dirty anyhow. Ha, God have mercy. You dirty, sha? God forbid. In fact, retail on crocro, you're dirty now you're calling. No, there's no two ways about that. One corner. Low life, you just want sample TV where be not 10. Sample the 250 euro TV. I be now. Maybe na second you even buy yourself. Maybe na 50 euro you take buy am. Now you just want sample. Say your luxurious room. 65 inches, now they my children room, all of them. 75 they my parlor. Nonsense. Very low.
Kokobiri side chick, you don't marry. One person, not the married person. Never. There is no egbeless marriage. But there is a egbeless family. But there is no egbeless.
They don't write off the yaya marriage when she go do. Without family member. Kokobiri family member. He reached to write off. We don't write off even before now. That will be marriage. That will be marriage. That will be better marriage, I beg. I beg you. Wait it happen. For this time and age, that person they do no MC, no cow, no musician, no invitees, nothing. Even the meeting, 6 people meeting where they even borrow give her. Now write off.
One person go just go your papa house. He go just marry you. Because why? Your father is also a condemned element. I go show now. Make people see him. If your father not be condemned element. Make una see luxury room, Mama Lulu.
Oh, cool.
Wag a luxury room, hospital for central room. Wadoge General Hospital na Abadan, na be luxury room. Wag a luxury room, when somebody is too local, he begin to use his set, they compare people. Make una see, everybody they bring something come out for social media. Wage. She want impress.
The TV not even reach 20 inches. In 20 inches safe. Hey God though. Now the TV she just want people to see. Very local. What is there? TV. With your Benny Cutty. How many window they the room? Even Jama house and a write off. The way Jama they build us. I went there in April now. I went there. The way they build that, they build us like prison yard. Some room, it go just slope down. You not feel stand straight. It go just slope down. Hey God, the way they build us, now this one be Spain, no, for us. No, Spain na oga. God have mercy. See two window your near body for inside room, bedroom, not be parlor. One up, one down. The one window high, one window down. You benny go one side. Drama not they try for construction. Don't ask for that. No. I've seen it with my eyes.
If you wear a bedroom, now she go bring this one conscient. Luxury bedroom, sabane la se no se e nice so be Jimmy sabo egese ne o God forbid egese mo mo egese lovers me ya mi Jimmy ege gbuse no se e side chike kokobiri ege so o ege egbuse no se ovie dora under the cashew tree okono ya dotrosi ya gboye ewusu no ege so o okono meti ye bebore ugwe mi ni mata ugwo oge no ya ye bebore. Yari pepore. My people, make una see o. See papa where God constantly give am. He don't go Nigeria, see am. After he go Nigeria, return back, see papa shoe for leg till tomorrow. See wetin mama use the papa tonto. Ojeve na fio. Unwe na unwe.
Na adultery cousin, na adultery.
If you say na lie, you say na mid one, not be mid one. See, I carry papa go studio. See, if you still say na me, not be mid one. See studio picture. Sadera me, wadogo manokiama. Yak boni yuge wadogo manokiama. Wadoge e meno bie kokobiri side chiki bo e Germany e masi juegbe e mo wene raya mo ugly boy no you bia weyini e mo wene you ya ugly boy. How can your mama go carry this type of person? Oh, ye me go we anware. He jeve oh so women sha. He just still be like what she do to her children. When she carry all different kind of furniture, she know they get respect. That's why mama do. How can somebody, mama, open leg for this type of man?
Follow Wahala, whoa.
Benahi. Ifo wabiame shoes. Bosu no.
I want to tell you, you won't be a way. I don't want my bona mubera. Ah, God. This guy, and when my ban went one more bogbera, wait till you won't be a way. A kiagwaze do a bidden on him honor. Ah, salobua, God forbid.
I give you all get tacky to your man, making your sa. On a walking sao. You have get away, you making your if men are here. A men are here, a matter my night in you. Ije me o wagomano giro ma bijoma no maso Kokobiri side chick. Kokobiri illegal wife of Germany. My husband, he marry you. Husband do it like Mr. Ajala. Mrs. Ajala.
Wait, so no, they remind Cross say marriage where she promised say she want do for Germany. Where she take cover up her shame and disgrace. For the Emma Baba where she go do without family member. Say that Germany, Kokobiri forget family. Where the marriage she promised for 3 years summer ago, I've been at 2 years summer ago. No, they remind her. She all can use empty mat buy momo for soup. Take cover her shame. Well, I know they ask her, say, when the marriage, she thought, say, na red carpet go there, the hall go near airport, this one, that one. Where marriage? They be a single month that they claim marriage for Germany. That thing you do, even in Nigeria, they recognize as in a marriage you do. I don't understand. Nigeria recognize them at all. That is my baba. I may when a Germany will recognize her.
Husband compare. Illegal wife for Kokobiri. You want to be illegal wife, you don't look for better person. Kokobiri.
Very illegal.
We couldn't na weho.
Very, very illegal.
We couldn't na motale luwe. E jwa ma be bie we no kpi agbon. O wa be bie we no kpi ano yihin omo na ahin me. Okay, gaba be wa de o. Mona come listen to this one. Mo listen.
Makai. You pan Makai. Every boy fine boy. Every man guy ugly boy.
Oh.
Ugly boy no you be where you know who. Or be we still have discussion.
Hey.
Yeah.
See insults.
Yes, since 90 months go.
Just the cause it, Papa.
God forbid bad thing. I want my video to be full of people who have senses. I have my video to be full of people who have brains, people who can differentiate between wrong and right, people who knows when to really support you because they know to say, oh, what she's saying is true. It's making sense. You know what she's doing. I don't want my video to be full of ignorant people who not get sense. Let's we just sit down, we just open and mouth for ground. They find what he made one talk before you go feel open mouth or to go talk for a live video. I don't want to be useless to that level. I don't want to be useless to that level. That is a sign of a big useless and eating from a woman like you dustbin. Understand? I don't want to eat from the dustbin of anyone.
My people, make una forte know the kind of person where she be. Did you listen to the things she was saying, or you were looking at the display of it, Papa? He said, what are you going to tell me? Nai Papa be ugly musheshe. Yes, ugly musheshe. We use head. Take na ground for your mama. Yes, you have to do it. What do you have to tell me? Nai Papa enter that one say, yeah. Dorekia woka. Dorekia. Venu ya muiweri ya no kenyo wase kenju ewodo.
Wa meme.
O wase kenju ewodo.
Ogbelikia.
Dorekia. We hi we ediomane seti satisfy we. What's a woman wa ya omo bi kalaba no ya wa doctors. Dorekia. Look at you. Your daughter say, oh, you take the general public. What did you say your father do?
Then you pan Makai. Every boy fine boy. Every man guy
Actually, not true. I talked to some years back. That time when Papa and Mama would say happen. Because I hear her for a Papa maths. People think it was a joke. No. Atiti not saying the same thing now. Not be loud. This guy just they deny Piki because he hide down from Kokobiri. That's why she no one accept. And Papa na they lament for station talking. Say Piki when he born for Nigeria, he don't know her whereabouts. He know they care for the Piki. Now he Papa talking. When the Papa they beg for station, they do up and down. I saw because Grace called me on video call. The Papa hear her for a Papa mass. This guy just they deny children. Because of Kokobiri, who be Kokobiri when you they deny your own children? I surprised when Atiti they talking. But this is the thing I said then. People think it was saga talk. No, it wasn't saga talk. She they hide a lot of things from that Kokobiri. And ask me who be that Kokobiri. We are all then see the eye picking for. Picking when you born before. Talking. Why? Some women are fond of that child. When they meet man, maybe the children, the pikin when they born somewhere, they know they live with it, or they claim, or they deny the pikin. Why you go deny your pikin where God give you because of man? Man will not appreciate you, value you, welcome you and your children where God take bless you. You should go to hell and burn to ashes. Why you go hide the truth? This guy got pikin for Nigeria. We say not even that pikin according to a papa, he said they stay with one of their relatives or so, something like that. A guy picking for Nigeria,
ugly boy no you be where you know who. Or be we still have discussion. Yeah. I guess since 90 months go for life. God forbid bad thing. I want my video to be full of people who have senses.
Oh my God, the tear, hey, hear me, oh God, Kokobiri illegal wife of Jenny. What white where is you where you are now? Because of a Kia. You see you say your papa you be where you in Israel. Genera gele wa you be where you. Eragi you be where you in erana do bigo. Erana do bigo. Illegal wife of Kokobiri of Jenny. go do a beltless marriage for Nigeria. Marriage where only one man go marry woman. Few and egbe. Basetinya. Enogegi se. Few and way. Era no amegbe. Oh, we went away. We are back at Lebeke. Zimbabwe. Umake Zimbabwe. Ebonesi not belonga. Ona wari epuwe ati o mano era, mano ije, mano egbe. O mano emila because of you were desperate. Get wanna be. A classic glory I never drop video. Ere no gasen gyoso oswan giwe. Mo how what take her. Mona listen to what you want to talk for this video. Mona listen, my people. Mona listen to what you want to talk for this video. He say he no be anything where yes say I dey talk. He go carry on, and they know they feel use am. If me say I know they talk to person, guy no go talk to right. Gamma we are so loyal. Monica, you dey look for trouble. Am I crazy? No. You go just see person talk something, you just pick up. But you can stand by it. You can't do it because you have no identity. You look at a Rabbi Jouer. They grow to become a man. They're old and they become a monkey. A man yagihi. Era no ro ugly boy na wole gbe you be who or you be who yin. No ya you be who yin. Give no hije. Illegal wife of Kokobiri in Germany. Look at your father.
Please, my lovely people, make una see that give love and like to this video now. Why not they do like that? I bet make una love and like. Love and like. There is no love and like on this video. Make una help me thumbs up. At least that's the least you can do. Thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up. Love and like.
Want to say but anybody parents? What do you want to say? Is this not the Ekia no be aware? Is this not the man you call Baba? I said it
For where?
And on Ariane, who were here now a long time.
I say make she go, make she at least they are your parents. Medical intensive care might do justice to their condition. No, she the package Kokobiri. People will give you like give birth to you. You don't care about them. You they busy, they fight people. Eh? You they say me Monica go be classic gloria, not be oja. Where doja no where biju oja. Where beru oja. Every year correct beat where they receive because of your useless self. You know go be oja. Me Monica go be classic gloria oja. Where biju oja, uno oja biju eh. The photo shoot where you go do where they tell you stick there and arrange your papa take under 2 seconds. Now social media donation. Eh? You know they see money. You know say you they work. Well, if we can't they see us is there say now land this. Your mama come they rock every weekend. Different type of land this and you they sample. Now bad thing. How many cow feed the money you don't give your mama take me and you se kwaba. That dirty towel that your massy they tie. It never change. They all donate money for you. The people who donate money for you today, you don't beat all of them for their good. Not good for them because they were supporting evil. Because they not so you don't so do this evil to another person. God bring back karma to you, and they were pitying you because they be oversabi. Not good for them. You beat all of them. Eh? Since then, okay, they donate money for you. You start to go do your own. Kale Kokobiri go marry without no family member. Eh? No family of Kokobiri that represented. Eh? You start to do your own, you know. You don't even say, okay, now your mama, you take cry victim for almost 1 year. May you carry on land this, they sit here on land this, may you buy for your mama, make she swam. If na boba, if na gun, make she use this chain. No, me aja for where, what me aja. You they call Monica, make you go classic Gloria mama. You know whether she send down or maybe that one. Everybody is waiting. How you take there for this social media? Say you be eye service copycat. Now you be. Monica be classic Gloria ja. Uno ja we beru we biju we ti tumure ra vi joya ye rio ja no o ja no nevi ya rio ja o ja e ko ja ri vuin seleke. Uno jawe biju we beruwe. They don't know where on a very short video. I go ask you this question on a short video and I will post it tomorrow. Uno ja biju. That one they call Oma Bijoja man no Monica the classic Gloria. I will call that place and I will now ask you who knows jawe bijwe tin tomorrow Joja because of your stupidity. Because of your busy body. Era bijwe Joja. Who be off day man day and night because of you. Konya biomo jamoson. Nonsense.
Tebi na yawo. Wait to ya queen go the social media. You go no ya kwana. Umaiti ya demiagbon. Look at your luxury bedroom. My people, are you just coming? You want to see a luxury bedroom? Come and see luxury bedroom. Look at luxury bedroom. Our major why now you don't boy the mwela diao. Also big tray. I'm away free. Go carry the side. We no fine. Look at the luxury bedroom. Where bring cars come out. Everybody really see her. Na kitchen cabinet. Because somebody cannot have this thing small cast. Na kitchen cabinet. Then you can show the opposite side. This is the reason why you will be asking presenter. Show it. Go say no. See, I'm going your way. Good night from luxury bedroom. This type of bedroom, I swear to God, I'll drill see crocodile.
God forbid.
I go drill see snake. Papa wang.
Dirty everywhere.
If this is a luxury,
see what she call luxury. Again, now lokasha. God forbid. Ije. I want to belong. I want to be on social media. See what you call luxury. You don't even call her bedroom a word. You say na luxury. One corner with 22 inches uma go here TV. Uma go here go better TV. Again, all local for
a kokobiri man. My people, if you want marry kokobiri man in Ohuwahia, marry the one where get money or not be the one where go they fuck you for this type of room for 2024. Ya beheading you are. Kokobiri. Aboke kokobiri a beless marriage. Illegal wife of a kokobiri of Jenny. Is this the room kokobiri they fuck you? And you they talk say you be woman? No wonder you carry fibroid. Person where they do for this type of lost draw room. A fibroid me. Look at it. No wonder no wonder you know if you stay inside your room. You go they follow all that video, but where they look for where they're not taught to you. May I can if this is your luxury, I'm sorry you miss a lot. You don't know what we are enjoying. If this is your luxury, it means that girl, you have missed a lot in life.
Before
hey!
Not today.
Is this your luxury? No wonder Nuna grab a Spain. No wonder. Nana me where even Zigiri no one marry you. You need to grab this pen. Here if I hear it again. Here Nick Bosama Bilat.
Ijo.
America, where you there? Come and sit there for you. Iji, Mama, Jesus, who is this type of person? Too much bitterness. See what you always they choose. He choose me no man. He choose me no man. You know my soul, but forever and ever. God, who do this girl like this? No good make person more than they do adulterous. Umusu no boom way more than do adulterous or boom. He first of all blind him mama. Him mama can't do I win. Gawoe, when I gawo jekia. I want jekia. Iye Felicia Arubo. Oh, solini kalababo wa. I went the day oje na gawo jekia. Oh, jekia mo jekia imi. He picky say, anything go na lemon na do because he jabon now. He no he not dey pay me if he not dey pay you. No, if he pay me if he not dey pay you, you know why? He not really get level now. How this one go pay you as your mama? Conspiracy. Vaya me. You use the money where you see. You use until marry a man. Only one man take you to Nigeria. You take her to Nigeria. One man, no family. When you get mad, they talk to people, mama, papa. When your own papa be like monkey, is growing old, is going to monkey. Cause no proper care. Is this your father and your mother? And you come to social media and be telling somebody, copy. Premier parents spy, but the parent refuse. Yeah. Oh, yeah, more now listening to this one. Yeah, get that. Me where I don't understand. You even you feel still they look your papa and mama for eye. I'm not sure. If this picture is 3 years ago, now it be said by now. Hey, young woman, by now. Be like waiting the ban. Eh? Copy. She lie. Mona listen, oh my people, Mona listen. Okay. Every boy fine boy. Every man guy ugly boy. Ugly boy no you be where you know who. Or be to see a discussion. Yeah. Guess since 90 move good for life. Mona here waiting she want talk oh. She copy waiting I always they talk. Did she do it? Mona here now, Mona here. Life. God forbid bad thing. I want my video to be full of people who have senses. I have my video to be full of people who have brains, people who can differentiate between wrong and right, people who knows when to really support you because they know to say, oh, what she's saying is true. It's making sense. She knows what she's doing. I don't want my video to be full of ignorant people who not get sense. Let's just sit down, just open and mouth for ground. They find what you made one talk before you go feel open mouth or to go talk for a live video. I don't want to be useless to that level. I don't want to be useless to that level. That is a sign of a big useless and eating from a woman like you, dustbin. Understand? I don't want to eat from the dustbin of the name. She copied what I said when I said all of the way I don't beat. If you call me, I will never answer you. I don't care what you say. Was she able to do it? People where they watch, Mona thought through now they watch. She said she wants a video to be watched by people that have sense, that can differentiate good and bad. Is that not the reason why she no longer gets views? Yeah. Because people run away, people that have sense, they run. Because she's eating from a mate's dustbin. And she said that is a proper uselessness. That is why my matter make you useless. Oh, we are useless that way. And then we are realizing it may useless way. It will be too late for you to change. Then you are stuck. You have to carry your evil by yourself. People don't know you, they wrong. That is why you don't see view if you don't know. People who have sense will not sit down be watching you calling somebody mama where they see where go viral. Somebody mama where be celebrity. Your mama where useless. Your mama where you know even feel change in life. After 20-something years in abroad, your mother is useless. It's just like poor. But so your arrival blogger war. Now your mama they tell they say good morning for rubbish. And you say you don't care. Who not cares? Are you okay? Is anybody no more Moses or what? People are not crazy. You are the one that brought your mother in a useless level. In matter that did not concern you. When I once told you, I say if I dare yet pain again, calling me for nonsense because you want to fight, you will regret ever trying. Oh, now we break it on. Since I brought it on, has your life be the same? Petty chop, a teacher. Conspiracy, what bell? What bell? Illegal wife of a Kokobiri in Jenny. Nothing you and Kokobiri can ever do right. Baron Wagwa will say, look at your bedroom. That's what you call luxury. Egg your deal of that in when go say your packet can eat. Oh, work to tone the oh. I say, that one. Oh, boy, you're better visual at ya. Oh, finish you way. Mommy, rock by with the eye they go for Nigeria. You don't still go come back. How come your own level not strong enough to look for who they hide? Person for just carry himself. Illegal wife of smelly Kokobiri, garlic woman. Oh yeah, come carry me. Everything that they do for your hand. Stupid girl. That's why Tito on phone tell you say, now they do everything for your hand. Since when it really leave you? Which action you fit do? Nothing. Just to come and use your papa and mama head to shop. Nothing else. Come and come talk akpangiri word. Your word makes sense. Now somebody will just feed do 2,000 go wash after how many days? Go see the one where you use a no get a shop just now. A no get your one. It don't reach 7,000. You see? You see, so other people talk. Now that one that they listen, not be you. You people don't know you finish that you are useless. A fake life in a bema. See the way you carry your bad head, go give Ijore. Ijore don't talk with it, want talk. Now you don't move on. You don't suffer, they do a video, he rest. But now because of you, Atiti and Ijore start to the fight. If they don't they fight now, you they look for another thing where you want to do. Umagi Gwanjo, Oge no Genama Tie where you there will laugh ya me. I want to talk my own sector. Free. Iya karu wopo. Iya kati we pupu ye ke ogi me oti we. E pupu ye ki me mati we de. Iye wa aku we me oti we. Because I go ba we. Pupu ye kes did not call you. Because everybody knows you that you are useless. Useless. A pragma finish you when they were a journey. Me men will give you Oh, Facebook give you star now they say they share bonus. Hygiene respect here. We no nya we ti respect ama we ma no manya e boss no. Hygiene ya sila dia wo wana je na ekwo. Ija gbon na he. Na ya si je na la dia o ma ti ri okun kuru won. Be no je na mita eri oji.
Did you find what I?
Arie studio.
Did you find what I? Boy, fine boy. Eri me na guy ugly boy. Ugly boy no you be where you know who. Yes, in a discussion. Yeah. Guess since 90 move good for life.
Oh, you bad. They never
be that thing. I want my video to be full of people who have senses.
You see, that is why you no longer see people who worship. Because you say you want your video to be full of people who have senses. And people who have senses don't like injustice. It irritates them to their bone marrow. People who have sense don't like trouble. They know when you are a troublemaker. When you have nothing to offer. Illegal wife of a Kokobiri in Jenny. Can't you see? Among everybody, you have nothing to offer? Is this how you're going to be a shadow of your fellow women? You to say na trouble. Hey, Igbonane, man, we are me luxury room here. We are me luxury cash here. Eman we no boma yage. Go see your luxury room. If I sleep there, go dream sick papa wanga. Is that your luxury room? If that one is your own luxury room, I be say your children don't finish. No wonder you have not been able to show it. Why do you like poverty stinking like this? And you will be exalting poverty. Is it that you know the smell rich where you there? If the smell rich where you there, oh, me do, I want to do. Your children never reach to enter flight. Okay, cook and then you go for a very long time. Or may say, Jesus, what is wrong? continue. You say you want people that have sense to be watching your video because you still here say, I talk, say if I don't beat you, I will never come back. Did you keep to it? Oh yeah, let's see.
Video to be full of people who have brains, people who can differentiate between wrong and right, people who knows when to really support you because they know to say, oh, what she's saying is true. It's making sense. She know what she's doing. I don't want my video.
You see the reason why many people run. Even the people where you say they watch you. I wish you can see them on ground. You know, say that people where be say they don't really get what they want use that time to do. You know, they see your video. Oh, what are you boy aware? No. It is because you're not making sense. You're not making sense. Even your saga don't make sense. People looking for negativity, screenshotting people when they make up what happened. Will you go carry the one where you for do like it? Your comp story and to when somebody just they do it. I know say now or who never phone it now work with that. Una go carry people normal video, go screenshot and to una do like this because low self-esteem they worry you. Otherwise they still take you when you they do action. It's the same thing. Then if I come make up when I want go as have I committed sin and you my husband? Boy, concern me, way. My hospital, yeah, mammy, but we know that they me be. It's low self-esteem. You they look for hey. Now we are dead. They just like you. They use debt. They pursue everybody. Where at the end, now your body day. Now you don't get nothing to show for nothing. Nothing to show for nothing. Kokobiri where you carry no fee make you a kokobiri wife in Germany, in Africa. Only a beless marriage. Walk by your way. Namanami otiyo odo, amami rodo, amami jodo. Walk by your way, be if I boani. A marriage namanamwe musician, amagbe mila, aman leva wa. If yes, social media, a boss lady no near a platform, and one yak your twin or two banabe yegivonia. Amade less why no one you mean when you go ladiane. Unless one red live it or what red live video when you here, or less why. See? God, oh yeah, continue.
To be full of ignorant people who not get sense. That's where just sit down, where you open my and mouth for ground. They find what you made one talk before you go feel open mouth or to go talk for a live video. I don't want to be useless to that level.
Una yema, please answer. Classic Gloria, you there here? I beg, my darling. Now be that one you notice for a body so. No be something like that you do so that behavior. Una hear what the person they talk? He say he no want be somebody where they wait for you. He may talk before he go come to. I beg. May we go in platform. Now put anything where person talk then they do. She get any of her thing where they do one and they wash. It not there. She for just start to the run. Go see video where she and her husband take do run. Contentless people. When content don't finish, a Latina, a beya no, me no, but I got the phone I make without money. Having fun without money. As one make this. I am a guy said go. Only they so. Kokobiri no fee. In Kokobiri, no fi carry small children. Small children. He go tell me now, he go say, what of you? My own children. One go holiday with fly by themselves. If you need that, do belly picture. Just tell me, say, let me bring picture. I will come and break all the picture. See different country, all of them went one. But you, we still get children. We're supposed to carry them. You not carry them. Why you be your time? Me, no seti arema. My pikin go don't travel. I go there, yeah. My pikin don't go. I go there, yeah. The other one go. We fly. Don't miss that part. He may pick him on airport. You want use body content compare me. Where they drop children off for airports. Level don't change. Way. See they bring that nonsense. You will get small children. Since when this holiday start? This holiday, and they use and look for trouble. And they use and look for trouble. And they mommy in the trouble. Mommy, okay, woo. Oh, you want me to get classic glory or what? Every jour me avec bejo. I'm in a cala, ni gala, I'm in a lamia, boye benoe. Ojo loveti, oh, boye benoe, na rien, Nigeria, na sierra visuela, who could donate a visual. On a sierra visuela, on a binya ye benoe. Isha, oui, mon guie, conspiracy. Et mamie ni rock pas nous sexy ou je vois mes vidéo poste. Mon nom ouais, oh, a landlady no stay here back of us. Landlady we not get city room. Where picture not there, yes, now another person picture there. Landlady way papa and mama want almost woro for Isa Oka. They no fit go in house. Fake lies. The fakest go to Nigeria. My sister they may have get it back. We mo worry. Na ke areva. Era bi jouer yan ne ye paint rubber wo woka. Ya get toilet no do love that video. Oh we are. Can you ravi jouer neji? You go Nigeria, shame not let you show your mama. What did they call her? Oh, you come and get pupu yeske. We are your work. You no ya revigie. I think mama mumu. You reach Nigeria, go show your mama. Say see where your mama they sleep. When you just say my pupu you cannot get sense. It gets sense so. Well, where you are or Martin, you never where they say so. We work for Magba way. Oh, no, we reduce ourselves. Go marry Coco Biriole in one. No, a less marriage. Now you say people no who want to take advice from you. Who want to take advice from you? You where the fuck people where you they hook up. Proud one they talk every day. The same man fuck two of you now when you say you don't do a Kokobiri house. Now what it make you do Kokobiri house? Because you know say any niche where they go. May you not go use don't blind like your mama. See what you do your mama. After you don't buy usunobu. Na jish working is no kaele. No living. I take some. You are a liar. You lie. I don't want to eat from my measures.
Because they know to say, oh, what she's saying is true. It's making sense. She knows what she's doing. I don't want my video to be full of ignorant people who will not get sense. That's where just sit down, where you open my mouth for ground. They find what you make one talk before you go feel open mouth or to go talk for a live video. I don't.
Not be that one he come they do. She get anything. She'll come and she'll say topic or today. You don't get. She will wait. When you talk, she take her. When fight come, she take her. When this one come, she take her. If fight ya wa before a million. We fight ya wa before. I may wa be total. I wa be so away topic. He don't get. He say he go do blogging for blessing. They will know yare was shame and disgrace. He say he do blogging for the video. They will know yare was shame and disgrace. Useless girl.
I want to be useless to that level. I don't want to be useless to that level. That is a sign of a big useless and eating from a woman like you, dustbin. Understand? I don't want to eat from the dustbin of anyone.
Unayera, he say, I don't want to eat from dustbin of any woman. Is it not dustbin of classic Gloria she ate this morning that give her papa and mama better slap? Okay. Not be classic Gloria dustbin she go eat. Not be classic Gloria dustbin she go eat. Nehuemu useless girl. As you big rich so you know fi discover yourself right from the time of in memorial. When you take enter abroad, now you still there. Mama Felicia come on for us. Enter abroad. You wrong. But market where you says it. You run enter abroad. You reach abroad. Mama Felicia, oh, he get money. Oh, they give her money now. You run follow people husband. Before you know, they deport you. Come back again. Follow Greece. Come use your total Greece, the land of Greece. You Greece all. At the end of the day, what did they take choose for you? Isigiri. Isigiri. You marry Isigiri. You follow Isigiri, go they stay for caravan. You know the shame. You know the shame. Say, no, why are you going to do it? Why are you going to do done with him? You reach Greece, finish, they use your total the Greece land. From there, you hear say your sister, your junior sister, they give her belly for backyard. No be say your junior sister bring husband come out. I'm we kill a bonnet. We kill a bonnet. No here. They give your sister a kiwabo. From there you start to the cry. Hey, you don't go no. Hello.
Mama. Hello.
Yeah.
This year for you, she first lady Felicia enter.
You know she first lady Felicia enter.
Constant send you link. Me say I
send you link. Okay.
This whole weekend, last weekend.
Ija for sure na. Ja. That let me. Oh, where classic Gloria kume okuwe gun. Uwi mogie ba let me. Ba let me. We give me na let me. When I what you love it yak bijoué. Uwi mogie. Upe akin agbana. Mete we me ewie mi na mi jouer no mama. I jouer na e sachike e kalaba. Mete we me lovie mi na mi dora. U bidan ya gbeje dora o. Awo e no ke no we gberu. Uwi mogie ma gu let me illegal wife of a cocobiri smelly garlic girl. Where they sleep for a room where be like a patako room where they for backyard. They call a nursery. What did the one use and see? I know they like that kind of thing. That's why I know they like to talk to you. Because I can never deny nothing for you. Because I know that you are nothing but a dead rat. You can't do nothing. Yes, me and you go use your papa and mama to shop. If I get your time, me and you go use your papa and mama name monkey. We go use the taste shop. Yes, area we say, easy get bo gabe twin. Where you get it, easy get bo. Yes. Dear papa now naka. Wait if they want. I can't wait to slap those boys. Wait one day to slap them. Are you okay? I'm gonna get you be there. Now the papa na you be. Na you be. Wa gbeo. Ojo Lovette address no hide. Pana mi wa maseva. Go with a big year of joué. I would a big rua no K no te ya dego ye kia no by Jew any. Also fake kia. Nine they tell your mama say small boys want to rent yes, you want give them. Or je kia so that may not they come and go the fuck for that cashew. May just the fuck that they enter his house. Not being the recorder. I shower me like mother like daughter. You see, I not be woman we go wait me make up before you go eat. Now they do so. Now they do everybody know and you have nothing to offer. It's trouble. If I finish with her just now, no trouble again. I will see I lot every day. This social media, those about space. Don't know those about space. You wake up there. Those about space. Why me your ban off a qua way or be a beno? Il nearly made that the way my uncle daughter no call her. Il nearly me. The moment just said they call the marriage by say, when I come back lot oh hey me people say be me person here pan sell it. Nonsense. I bet more watch what the same come. Rubbish girl in home. When they rabbit mama. Women no me no before you talk to Percy, papa and mama, Coco be illegal wife. Make sure say your own papa and mama, you don't revive them from animal kingdom where they dey. Your papa resemble monkey, your mama resemble crayfish. Can't revive the con human being. Même que na en we am one vision man well, vision okay. Ije classic Gloria e get give your stage. They can you wedge or walker. Ori wanana ni sanji okowa ni jouer na ne you wear papa gifi foyer uncompleted toilets. Useless get the only akate we don't go as we no feel proud with the papa and mama because they were dilapidated elements. No the shame. We no bow with seke. The only presenter we no feel show kitchen, show children room. You are not ashamed. One marry Coco Biri, we not give a logo marry the one we no get money. Pwe! Who digi? Classless human being. No the shame.
Because me, I'm not a member of a court. I am not in any court. This is the reason why these courtist people are fighting me for good 4 years now.
To use your miserable 4 years of how many years of shouting now and the failed hookup that you brought to social media. If the hookup was still paying you that much, I see no reason why you jump into saga that you were not called. Saga that did not near you. You carry chair and sit down. The next day to know me too, they do pay show. They do this and they do that. You enter saga, you refuse to go out of it. Started choking your mouth everywhere that did not concern you. That was how you call saga to yourself. Actually, yes. If we look at it, nobody really sat down and look for you. You look for people. That's the way you enter my phone when I was in Holland too. Tafia. Nyere.
Nagbalo akonoma ni waya si ai. Bueri re obi gona mu yiwa. Asha wo no bilo obi mu gona. Black and white Coca-Cola, yellow and pink. Send the video of Rita Gume. Oma Boyagi. Coco Biri do me well. Ikpe ya ku webo. Na filo ko loro mi mu yiwa. Oro ya you go to AliExpress ya ka vesta ya from Amagun. After many months of hospital in abroad, from Greece to Greece. Greece my bekus. Once you talk to them, they wemu akpavioi. You look like you know don't you media. Shameless she goats.
No, you get better than the other any one of them.
Oh, Bobia, one documented marriage, Coco Biri wife. Na me, Moya Kyongome. Moya Kyongome, like me, kata. Vale me, unsusu. Tiena vije koto, nuya lewebo, usie bekoto. Nuya lewebo, e fana motioriye ki joue, adulterous daughter of Okpomiliki. All documented wife of Kokobiri. Kokobiri side chick of Jane, illegal marriage. Vale me and Nami want to come over. I take it over. I go fit deny for Mama Classic Gloria. Everything where you dey talk just now, everybody knows say you are a liar. Now our streets. For our president, they born me and grow up. All those things where you talk just now, lie, opposite of what you were saying. But your Mama Felicia, where come from your area, where they born you from Mama Felicia hand. She not fit deny for your mother. She said your mother under the cashew tree. Your mama they enter bush go the bon. We Calabar people. Calabar. Then they fuck your mama for a car. All the Oka people, no one can call us there say, oh, no, what no, they say lie. Iya we mata wa no gele fawa, odo feje wa ni bae. Undocumented wife of a Kokobiri in Germany. Illegal marriage. A beltless marriage where you go do from Nigeria. You don't see where one man they marry. Useless girl. You don't see how Mama Classic Glory attend they receive the children if they come from abroad. Can your mother receive you like that? No, when only you call Wahala wabuke wepore. Useless girl. No look one where are you swimming pool? Who are you? A luxury room in an amina crocodile. You know the share contactless, troublesome, Kokobiri's garlic smelly girl. Flower wanya weto wawe garlic. Are you crazy? Now me 1 second move for lie me. Now me tell you on this social media. If you tell me to bring it on, I go use that tire. You are all illegal. I when Bogo General would be illegal. Another fibroid overgrow within 8 months again. Who want a fibroid they grow we wear? Monsaga when I fear fibroid we wear. Nana imeguma work here for the past 5 months. Nana they care you we na agi. One day they would be saga when the fibroid they would be grow. Then why no okwo a fibroid got grow. A fibroid got grow. Ah fibroid to of Kokobiri. Every day we done ya name you wa gbanla we me. Spin grabber. Woman where they carry spin where men no give her to take boom. Then you all just spin. Oh, just spin mato zwa of a sigirima. Ole, we are Oji. And we no see no yok on kume manatie we na hin. You ever do I give you? Or we would baby do to you or you no do spin. No was it when no you or your manakbo. When no raj your manakbo ne huemu. Ole. Oh, yes, man. Yes, man. No do munu ya biasosa. Iya mwen where? Aja where you go to where? Oh, Jack Boje in you. Oh, your mom lick your for card. Your death. I shall one eye me back. Who set him when me lao na ni na like me na wa like me na hina we. Who so a go back with you. Oh, go bela. Ne Bastille. Basi tira o no go kat be jouer no rodi o go be jouer ne koko torekia tini na la mi onyo pa la mi o go be jouer o go be la agba wejo be jouer. Since you have been looking for one better visual for this holiday, let us entertain them. Let us entertain them with a one better visual. Ogun visual ne Dora. Dora no je kia adulterous woman, the oldest adulterous woman. Anybody am a viewer. Wasaga, because wama beer when I you are doctors ya beer under the cashew tree ni you ya beer where Espen grabba ole o just mato zwa o monu bia so sa o do espen mu o just no let me illegal undocumented wife of Kokobiri. I'm a wife. Where is the document or Jack Mojain? If you ask me now, I will tell you, look at it. I am Mrs. Ajala in the United Kingdom. Can you brag and say that you are Mrs. Kokobiri in Germany? No document for it. I mean, everything about you is second hand. Nonsense, useless girl. E wo bio anagbo. Wow, weke ya no lana hu ebe na kwase. Obi ase no mama. Owo we agwe azen yehi. Azen we hi we na yesu ozuo na. Azen ne managbo ni ru wo gbukpejuwa o. Wa wori ya no ya be ya mo inwe ya zen. But no stay na zen o. As if people better pass you. You know, see, say nothing better for your hand. Man, not better for your man, woman, not better for your hand. Oji, you want this Spain. You know fit thief better or you both Spain. You go thief Sigi. Obamese. You go thief Obamese Spain. Aroma shinap. Esem aroma shinap. Aroma mese. Obanese. Now you got the tea sigiri. Useless girl. Woman when they use oibo pikin take the shop at Duro, not be juju be that. Woman when they use half cast they shop at Duro, not be juju be that. Agbona fiwo na we social media. Oh, I don't want to go. You ni ya no we bo fiwe. Ne huemu. Money, darling. How are you, love? Ne huemu.
Don't.
Mutia jeve no kie.
Don't.
If you know you are ready to make, talk me your level too.
Iva Paula Jwekbe. Iva Paula Wekbe. You are blessed, my darling. This one.
Ah, makeup, mama.
See the way you are scented. What did you use?
Hey,
I'm growing up.
enter house. Sister Florence girlfriend, I been a wife. Enter house. The house. Okay, Sister Florence.
Enter! Now when you
Lawa. Okay, Sister Florence. Lawa. Okay, Sister Florence. Hey, mommy love your baby. No why you wish women Nigeria don't just your boy. The life with you. Mati if you see so mati be now. O mati be karati mati we no pa. Only why you on e ba on your ba okay we. O mati we no pa. O jaje felicia be. Evalina akika masewe. So go what you. Felicia we are with Felicia so why we marry a boy. No, what I said with
undocumented kokobiri side chick. You see us everybody. Your mama na wa ungongongo. They are not trust. Your mama na ungongongo. Ma yari go. When I want to see someone now, you don't they call. I did holiday. I want Saga see your mama. Radio. You yeah? At the end of the day, now you market go follow top. Not be me. I go beat your mama finger. I go move to my topic. Where any topic was so ne be. Wa would have you very. Otikui one way. What did you boy on the way? On your Jano soldier. O January ne be. Or more done. Spain grabber, Spain tifa, OG Spain mato zoa o meme. Wale do Spain, momenti dwoge bomu. Yage rosemary no maro ye boy enjoy oye logo. Yago we. You carry Mama Gloria picture just now. You old pastor. She bon pikin we senior you. One useless woman or my man or your mama we are like wepo since 20-something years. Your mother is still suffering. Omanaya monije ni grow neri right. Useless girl no ho abagbon.
As I continue to say, in the near future, DJ Rita, Mariana, for me. We pray.
Yeah, na kwa to tawa ni. Evi ogu fie. Na bete runi na wo se ti mo mi release ni. E lo wa se ko.
Àwọn bàbá ti ń wẹ̀lẹ̀ boyfriend. We will go.
Mama one laugh. Rita Maya we summer now. You might get to school. What quick Rita you know give my name now let me. Ijere mama we wa mi ami ade to time and we when you fit your me you me jack ya wo. Okay. Mama, where the luxury room or ni ya show a luxury bedroom. Okay. Where's the mommy? Yay, every take here. Oh yeah, who is where? It's a testing for cowboys. Mado bitch where you ready? Sisu wa ho just spam. Ne huemu. Oh just spam. The T-Spam because of Desperado, because of his say his junior sister they give her belly for backyard. No be say junior sister marry now. They give that one belly for 13 years. She just said that one born for 14 years. She just start up. My man don't born finish. My man don't born finish. Oh, he born way don't bet can't do me. As so he born the one. He born one con. He say he born one just come on this thing. Oh, we know what grab it. You know what grab it this pen. Oh, we know what grab it this pen. Oh, Jacques mon cher in your name. Oh, man, no it do spend me money rather key. Oh, just say no na do a topic everybody go like be na here. Oh, j'espère, non, maman, ne huemu. Oh, j'espère, et kokobiri was a a fat broad in not we not do ye boo by me fat broad. E ki kokobiri mana se fat broad in we. Oh, your honey, your bawe be. Oh, bawe be, rabi jouer to yan ye son. Useless gay ne huemu.
We calm down. Rita get boyfriend for Gotigi.
Je vais aussi gagner sur le poids.
Rita, he get boyfriend for Gotigi. I will post that boy. Rita, if you message with.
If una want make we analyze, you know say that a life story. I never ever analyze. I never ever touch. If you know say you need them, bring a come because Rita Kia Kokobiri undocumented. Wife of Kokobiri smelly garlic. The most useless presenter where everybody know. In when